Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows audio device graph isolation, high CPU usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the first and the most important one is to right click on this option here, the system tray, select sound settings. Okay. Scroll down and click on more sound settings. Find the device which is creating the problem, for example this one. Select properties, go to enhancements, disable all enhancements, apply and then on OK. So, one thing about this is that you won't find it with each and every device, but there are certain devices with which you would find this enhancements tab. Like for the speakers, I don't have the enhancements tab. This is the main solution, and in 90% cases, this would be the main solution. But if it doesn't work, then search for device manager. Then go to device manager. Okay, and then you can expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click on it and update each and every audio related driver. Okay, under audio inputs and outputs. So these will be the two main solutions. Now one more thing that I would definitely suggest is to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.